Lia and welcome back for another tasty treat, and boy is this a special episode today. And the reason that this episode is a special one today is because I will be teaching my very beautiful nieces how to make a recipe of their choice. Yes, I have already done this recipe, but it's to show you guys how easy my recipes are to follow, so then you have no excuse on why you can't do it. And so without further ado, here are my nieces. This is Lily and Amber.
Hi.
And what we'll be cooking today?
Frozen berry roulade.
I'm going to be stepping behind the camera. I'll be telling these two exactly how to do the recipe, and you guys will see the finished result. How's that sound?
Good.
Cool, let's get started. So to begin, we need to weigh out our ingredients. What ingredients are we starting with, girls?
You need 220 grams of white caster sugar, not golden, white. So next we need 7 egg whites, and it is vitally important that you don't put any yolk in the mixture. Put the egg whites into the machine and whisk them till soft peaks. How do you put this down?
You press the button on the side, and then you put the head down of the machine at the same time. There you go. And then you turn it on with that thing at the side. But do it one notch at a time. And one more. There we go.
So then you need to add your 220 grams, 1 spoonful at a time, after your egg whites have gone soft peak.
There you go. Do you want to add the sugar 1 spoonful at a time? Just, you've added one, wait a second, add another one, wait a second.
So you need to grab a small little dish with a teaspoon and add 1 teaspoon of each of these.
And what have you got there?
Vanilla extract and white wine vinegar.
So once you've finished adding your sugar to the egg whites, we're going to add what Amber weighed out here, the 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
So you want to add a heaped teaspoon of corn flour. The trick to have your meringues done, you want to put it over your sister or brother's head, and if it falls out, then they're going to have bad head. If it stays in, your meringue is good to go. In order to bake your meringue, you need a tray and some grease-proof paper. And you need to add little splotches of the meringue to make it stable and it doesn't move. See?
So what's going on here?
So you need to add splotches of your meringue mixture on your tray, and just to make like a coat of a layer thing. And then you just have to keep doing it till all the tray is filled up. Once all your meringue is on the tray, you need to evenly spread it out. Now you need to stick it in a preheated oven at 150 degrees for 45 minutes. Scary.
Make sure you don't open the oven.
199 there. You need to get your sugar and mixed berries and add them into a saucepan. And then you need to add a splash of water. Then you need to take it over to the hob to boil and reduce. While the berries are on the hob, you need these ingredients. So you need icing sugar, tablespoon, teaspoon and vanilla extract.
Also 300 milliliters of double cream for the filling. After about 10 minutes, the compote will be done, and then you need to put it in a container to cool. After it's cooled, you will add it to the whipped cream.
You need to put your whipped cream into the fridge till your meringue is out the oven to keep it cool.
Okay, so this has been in the oven for 45 minutes and we've let it cool down slightly. I'm going to transfer this meringue to this new fresh piece of greaseproof paper just so we can roll it and stuff it, really. So let me just take it from here, move that over there. Then let's do this quickly and carefully so we don't break it. And then we're going to peel. Want to help? Peel the greaseproof paper because it's meringue. And then gently, so just put, because here we have a tear. Okay, so I'm going to get Lily here to fill our meringue. We've got our whipped cream and she's going to blob it on in random places but leaving a gap just about that big at the beginning of the roulade. You want to? And once she's blobbed on all of the cream, she's going to gently smooth the cream down and then we're going to add our berry compote.
I think I'm going to break it.
It'll be alright. We've already got holes in it, so it'll be okay. I don't think it can get any more broken.
So this is someone demonstrating how to do it, and that's how much of a gap you need to leave around that big. Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to take the berries and do the same step as we did with the cream.
As you can see, Lily has nicely mixed the berries all through the cream, and now we're going to go ahead and roll it. So you need to grab it from this end with the greaseproof paper. I'm just going to carefully roll it. As you can see, it's starting to come away at the edges a little bit. That's fine. Just stick this down.
Okay, so now I'm just going to try and roll it.
Yeah, keep pushing down on it. There you go. There you go. Keep going. Woo!
Juicy! Now we need to put it in the freezer for 7 more hours till it's completely frozen.
What are you girls doing here?
We're plating, decorating, and plating up the roulade. Thank you for watching this episode of Lia Tortilla. Now we are going to enjoy this treat. That's so good. That's really good.
So once again, thank you for watching this episode of Lia Tortilla. It's been a special one. And thank you to my special guests, Lily and Amber. I love you both. Mwah. And don't forget to leave me a comment, like this video, give this video a share. And if you really like what I do, come back next week for more tasty treats and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!